muina kwaba ade benkasa TV na tifo yanda ne ni enkonkohwe aye ndisi akachine tifo ensema ekoso hono no eni ehu na ano eden papa the tifo just some weeks ago and this Cape Coast crowd contempo so police for na say NIB officials stay over 150 million US dollars worth of tifo cocaine na enya asem ketua kra. Now up to now, the Pakunum Somo and Shana Tutunano, now your NDC parliamentary candidate Tifum Busua, who investigating ABC Bisan in Sem. Let's say for Namanamokasi. A year, Opinibia Feno, a Philip the bomb at in Sibi, so Sabe to be about a year. Another word of cocaine beautiful discover at airport Kotoka International Airport, which means pay the bar. Let's if I be disposed at the North and so call back. And to there are some questions people say Bisa. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Honorable Kujetu Ablakwe says, "Sama, cause no more NTS because for the first time in Ghanaian history, if we take cocaine, and Sama, cause said this few months here, is John Dramani Mahama, Abba Bemu. Now, yes, every Pinocchio Tia Comobo, cause so a hono, Madamina as
NIB, the National Intelligence Bureau, young Canadian from BNI. And so the beto just say, or more abasti $150 million worth of cocaine. Ewo takra de Cape Coast Contemponso, ya na ye en route to Accra. Ya na ye concealed in 48 slabs. Ya according to National Intelligence Bureau and the Ghana Immigration Service, we are the biggest ever cocaine bust in this country. Yet one more ya junjini hwa any answer enra. That the same National Intelligence Bureau assigned their bet to just say or more ground-breaking operations and leading to the interception of Wedie Doso Popa 3.3 tons of cocaine. 3.3 tons of cocaine. Yande bossum $350 million. Yeah, according to NIB operatives, it was in a tipper track. Yeah, na a free Cape Coast airbar en route to Accra, to Pedu Junction, and we intercepted 3.3 tons of cocaine. Omochi nipa mienu, tipper track driver, no 39-year-old friend Isaac Kweku. And now the mate, yeah, your friend Kenneth Kobna. Now, interestingly, tipper truck driver and the mate na tertiary students at the University of Cape Coast. The NIB Tremua omuti branch no upon investigation at the common residence no. Not 13 sacks of cocaine. Yeah, and also weight 345.07 kilogram. And so yeah, according to NACOC, lab analysis conducted chirema way cocaine way no the purity level e was surankasa enti cocaine dika pa eno mokwachi ya wo all these three stories amaka ndi achiremo from January afiamu to March no ni nyina to one line the Cape Coast Takrade Quantempon en route to Accra and the other one near Tema en route to Accra. Obebusa said, what is the missing link? And that leads us to the ultimate story. He's an immigration officer. A dear will use social media. Set the bomb. Making kind of tray that the Sefatasi Chirim Yachirim was say. Can someone explain why an air-met flight N823 AM landed at Kotoka International Airport in Ghana from Gran Canaria on 20th of March 2025, then remained in the country for 5 days before departing at 1 AM on 25th of March 2025 back to Gran Canaria. Bear in mind, this is an air ambulance specifically designed to transport patients. Also, note that it landed in Gran Canaria, an island in Spain, where, per our records, is infamously known as a convenient hub for transporting Colombian powder, that is pure cocaine, across the globe, and a hot spot for cocaine business. The first statement no which say kutoka hono obi nchechire mu nchire no de kodientia airmed de ka airmed a air ambulance a plane ya just say de be for patients every oman yimu e don kwa no ne ekwaja yarehwe and on the flight number ni tudwa N823AM according to Papai so ya branch so a airmed landed wo Kotoka International Airport 20th March edi na mako num ewo man yimu edi party free o man yimu 25th March ya ni nyina no the destination Gran Canaria ene wo kire mu say Gran Canaria yi island super Spain na according to immigration records o pe baby a ye du no bone hu dwa ye cocaine hu dwa kese pa o wiase afa na nyina sa Gran Canaria ya just say ope cocaine ya kroje ya fremu na ne bo wo soro a Gran Canaria ha na sa adwane nyina akoso obi no say. So the question remains, which patient did this airman air ambulance carry from Ghana? Because per our records, no patient was carried in this airman air. My second question is, and to which hospital in Gran Canaria? Because our checks also confirmed that there is no hospital in Gran Canaria. I guess Okujeto Blakwa is busy sorting out his rent at Airport Hills. So, I am stepping in to monitor Ghana's air traffic on his behalf. And interestingly, on this same 25th of March 2025, a Kavok Air private jet Antonov AN-12B landed in Ghana and took off on the same day to the same Gran Canaria. So, did someone move something there or what? The relevant authorities must answer these questions if they want us to believe they have Ghana at heart. The brand chiremwa Ahmed de hu yi eba fire ni e de nakọ amana kọ ja yarehwe e wo hospital wa manoni ba wa die enhwehwemu a kire se Ahmed de be land ye kọ Gran Canaria yi yarefo bia nam etu free ha kọ sa afa mo hwehwemu kra kire se Gran Canaria na ye island de wo Spain no hospital kasie bia kra ndi ho no mo ye de obi kọ ho akọ ja yarehwe enti die pa da sa Ahmed ambulance na e free ha call Gran Canaria no die ne de koy ye begina ha na makomakunum e die ne free Ghana de koy e yen se bi se bi sampe e na wo kirim se sa 25th no ana wo yi etu di akom sa 25th no anso no air private jet ye friend Kavok Antonov AN-12B enso lande wo Ghana. And also landed Ghana di America kra and your 640 and also 2 years and also to call Gran Canaria. And Tino or say, be a na yura, someone who could to a black one. And the rent